नमस्कार, मैं राजीव बंसल। आज हम बैठे हैं एमएम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, जो यानी कि दिल्ली रोड पर स्थित है। एमएम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एक ऐसी संस्था है जो यानी कि क्वालिटी एजुकेशन को ऑब्जेक्ट को लेकर, एम एंड ऑब्जेक्ट को लेकर यह एस्टेब्लिश हुई। 5 साल पहले यह संस्था बनी। एमएम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल जो कि +2 तक का स्कूल है और क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, गुणवत्ता वाली शिक्षा जहाँ दी जाती है। मॉरल एजुकेशन के साथ साथ बच्चों को कंपटीशन के लिए भी तैयार किया जाता है। लेकिन लॉकडाउन के चलते यहाँ स्टडी क्या चल रही है, क्या पैटर्न स्टडी का अडॉप्ट किया है। लगभग 75 दिन हो गए। इस वैश्विक आपदा के चलते स्कूलों में क्या चल रहा है, क्या बच्चे घर बैठकर स्टडी कर पा रहे हैं, यह सब जानने के लिए हम आज पहुँचे हैं एमएम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में। और वहाँ की वर्दी प्रिंसिपल सीमा बब्बर जी से बात करना चाहेंगे कि लॉकडाउन के चलते आप कैसे स्टडी करवाते हैं, बच्चों से कैसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं। मैडम बब्बर, आप यहाँ प्रिंसिपल हैं, द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल यू आर वर्किंग। वैश्विक ग्लोबल पेंडेमिक है और 75 दिन से लगातार स्कूल बंद हैं। ऐसे में बच्चों का फ्यूचर क्या रहेगा और क्या कैसे, एक सवालिया निशान है, साइन ऑफ इंटरोगेशन है उनके भविष्य पर।
ऐसा नहीं है, काम बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है। व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स हैं हमारे, ब्रॉडकास्ट ग्रुप्स हैं, एवरीबडी इज़ गेटिंग वर्क, इवन स्टूडेंट्स आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग वेरी गुड. They are doing their work and they are teachers have made a list that who according to the roll number who is not doing. So they call them personally, talk to the students as well as their parents, and everybody is, right now we have the report of each and every class that every roll number has completed their work what as teacher has given to them.
They are not, students are not coming here physically.
Yes.
You are doing the work digital, online study. When some rural background students and junior classes students, how they can make up and used to with this digital education?
Every parent of rural area have got good phones. I mean, we have contacted each and
very much ensure that they are
yes,
equipped with
course.
their Android phone or
100%
smartphones.
Because we are getting response from each and every student. We are talking to them also, and they are giving their test. They are making their videos on our Facebook. You can see their videos and you can see their work. What I am saying, I can prove you by showing you the Facebook of the school. We have shown the videos of our own students. Accordingly, not from the city, also from the rural area, we have uploaded the videos of our own students on the Facebook group.
As a principal, in the capacity of the principal, how you can visualize the workout of the teachers here?
They are really working hard. Generally in school time we work 8 to 2. Hardly till 3 maybe parents may be calling. Now what's happening is parents are calling till 10 o'clock in the evening as well, at night. If they have any problem, they call the teachers and clear out their doubts. We are attending all the parents any time they are calling us. They are in connection to
as
us.
A educationist, as a principal, can you tell me ki they are trailing behind, students are trailing behind regarding this pandemic, global pandemic?
See, there is one minus point which I would think in this connection. For example, if we have to teach a particular topic to the class, if students are present in the class, physically if they are present, we will take around 20 to 25 minutes to explain them one topic. But of course, online we have to make it short to 5 to 7 or maybe 8 minutes. So that is the only point where we are, this online education is creating a little bit of problem. Otherwise, they are understanding, they are responding also that I have understood. If they don't understand anything, they of course call the teacher. Teacher give them time to personally explain even a single student.
Students as well as teachers are taking zeal in online study or digital study.
Yes, of course. They are enjoying it because everybody has come to know that this is the new education system that is being going to come. Because I think 4 or 5 years back we used to talk about this, that time is coming that digital classrooms will be very popular. At that time we never used to agree कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं, virtual classes will not be there. But now we have already seen that this is part of our life and maybe it will go long.
They will cop up this, make up their backlog.
Definitely. Whenever the students will come back, we will again go through each and everything what we have done till today. Naturally, we will revise a little bit of it and then move on.
And consistently, I'm asking you then again question. It is my own perception कि the junior classes students and ruralite students, it is problematic how they can study with the online procedure and digital.
In this process, I would really salute parents of the students. They are really cooperating with us. I mean, they are, even the mother, even the fathers, they are really cooperating with us. Of course, a small, technology is such a thing that the small children, they are very used to these things when they are very small. They can find out each and every system of the phone.
My next question is this. You are having science stream as well as commerce stream. They have worked out on practical in laboratory also. And nowadays they are not doing in a laboratory.
Never mind, they will come in July. We will have practical schedules and then we will first have the practicals of whatever we have done in theory.
So what is your fee schedule here? You are taking full fee or?
No. Only the monthly fee we are taking. Only.
With the full annual funds or?
Nothing. We are not taking anything. We are just asking them to deposit only the annual, only the tuition fee, only the monthly fee of each and every class.
You are following the guidelines of the directorate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What message you want to give to the masses here?
The only message I would like to give is, don't worry, things will get over. We teachers have this power. Let our students come back to the school, we will make them online. Don't worry at all. They will lose nothing. They are in touch to us and they will grow and they will learn. Don't worry about it, we are there for them.
ये थी मैडम सीमा बब्बर, MM इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल. हमने इनसे इंग्लिश में इंटरेक्ट किया, हालांकि शी इज़ वेरी फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश देन मी. इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा एलिब्रेट किया है, सब चीज़ें एलिब्रेट की हैं और एक्सप्लेन भी की है कि हम डिजिटल एजुकेशन के माध्यम से बच्चों को स्टडी करवाते हैं और यह धीरे धीरे यह जो वैश्विक आपदा है दूर होगी और हम मेकअप कर लेंगे. हम जानना चाहेंगे यहाँ के चेयरपर्सन सुभाष कटारिया जी से, जो रिटायर्ड एक्सियन है और कई ऐसी संस्थाओं से जुड़े हैं. तो कटारिया साहब, हंसी की आवाज़ पे आपका स्वागत है. आपने यह स्कूल 5 साल पहले शुरू में संस्था बनाई MM इंटरनेशनल. इसका एम एंड ऑब्जेक्ट क्या रहा है इसका
क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, सिर्फ एम यही है कि हमें यहाँ हांसी के अंदर एक क्वालिटी एजुकेशन बच्चों को इम्पार्ट करनी है, जिसमें बच्चे मोरल के साथ साथ हर प्रकार की एजुकेशन लेके चले. ये ना कि भाई प्रोफेशनल भी और उसमें मोरल भी और क्वालिटी वाइज भी.
स्पोर्ट्स में भी आपके बच्चे जाते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स के लिए यहाँ क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें बनाई?
स्पोर्ट्स के लिए हमारे पास स्विमिंग, बैडमिंटन और एथलेटिक्स और अपना वॉलीबॉल, फुटबॉल और ये क्रिकेट के लिए हमारे पास वो जो नेट प्रैक्टिस के
नेट एकेडमी चला.
हाँ.
तो ये बच्चे जो अब घर में बंद हैं, तो ये जो स्पोर्ट्स वाले हैं, तो ये कैसे अपने आप को मेकअप कर पाएंगे?
ये अब तो फिलहाल तो घर पे ही जो एक्सरसाइज हैं वो करते हैं. हम बताते हैं बच्चों को कि भाई योगा और उसमें जो फिटनेस की एक्सरसाइज है अब तो घर पे ही करो. लेकिन जब हमारे स्कूल यहाँ खुलेंगे उसके बाद हम सारा कुछ जो कमियां हैं बच्चों की वो सारी इसके ऊपर इम्पार्ट.
थैंक यू. ये थे कटारिया साहब.